News coming in from the state of West Bengal now, where BJP is mounting attack on Mamata Banerjee over the gang rape horror. Sukanta Majumdar now says TMC must take responsibility. Mamata also is the Home Minister of the state of West Bengal. What is happening under her regime? Shame that rapes are happening in the state of West Bengal. This is the BJP, which over the past 48 hours has been asking questions of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Sukanta Majumdar is now saying TMC needs to take responsibility. Mamata Banerjee is also the Home Minister of the state of West Bengal. Listen into what Sukanta Majumdar said.
वहाँ पे हर कॉलेज में तो कौन सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलता है, टीएमसीपी का ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलता है। तो वो जो मेन एक्यूज्ड है वो भी, और जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं ये भी, इसके साथ तो फोटोज भी है बहुत सारे नेताओं की। तो टीएमसी को इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी। और मैं बोल रहा हूँ सिर्फ इस कॉलेज में नहीं, हर कॉलेज में ऐसे निक्सस बन चुका है, ऐसी चीजें हो रही है। स्टेट के होम मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी उनकी फेलियर है, और उसके साथ साथ मुझे लगता है कि इन सब एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ जो मंत्रालय जुड़े हुए हैं उनके लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ी एक धब्बा है।
My colleague Anupam Mishra is now joining me on the story. Anupam, we are seeing finger pointing and also asking questions of the Chief Minister. BJP now saying that Mamata Banerjee is also the Home Minister of the state. What is this happening? Why are women not safe across the state of West Bengal?
Well, you know, the question BJP is raising is a kind of similar question which other opposition parties like Left Front is also raising, that education department has rotten, it needs a revamp, and that is the kind of allegations which are coming up from BJP and Left from yesterday after the incident came into light. So a full-fledged political war, a war of words between BJP, TMC and Left is happening in Calcutta, and a lot of protests are also scheduled today. Yesterday we have seen BJP hitting the streets, Left Front student wing hitting the streets. So a similar kind of political war which we have seen during the Arjikar incident is also ongoing in West Bengal, especially in Kolkata right now.
Thank you, Anupam, giving us all those details. We are now seeing massive war of words between TMC and BJP. In fact, Sukanta Majumdar is now asking questions and saying Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister and also holds the Home Ministry portfolio. What is happening in the state of West Bengal under Mamata Banerjee's regime?